Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to inform this August House that the Ministry is promoting a culture of working smarter across workplaces in Fiji to improve productivity, strengthen labour relations, and ensure safe, healthy, and sustainable working environments for all workers. Speaker, sir, the concept of working smarter is not about reducing effort or responsibility, but rather about ensuring that work is carried out more efficiently, strategically, and safely through proper planning, innovation, skills development, and effective workplace systems. Mr. Speaker, sir, this approach is fully aligned with the objectives and principles of the Employment Relations Act 2007 and the Health and Safety at Work Act 1996, both of which emphasize fair employment practices, productivity enhancement, worker protection, and occupational health and safety compliance. Speaker, sir, under the Employment Relations Act 2007, the Ministry continues to encourage employers to adopt proper workforce planning and smarter management systems that ensure workers are assigned duties according to their qualifications, competencies, and experience. This is well embedded under the equal pay for work of equal value. By improving workforce allocation and reducing unnecessary duplication of tasks, organizations are able to increase efficiency while also minimizing worker fatigue and stress. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry supports continuous training, upskilling, and professional development to help workers adapt to modern workplace demands, improve productivity and service delivery, and strengthen job security and career advancement opportunities for workers in relation to equal employment opportunities. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry is encouraging employers to adopt flexible and modern work arrangements, flexible working hours, including shift work and split shifts, to support operational efficiency and work-life balance in line with Wages Regulations 2024. Such measures contribute to improved employee morale, reduced absenteeism, and better overall workplace performance relating to hours of work, shift arrangements, and employee well-being. Mr. Speaker, sir, employers are encouraged to implement fair and transparent performance management systems that promote accountability, recognize productivity, and ensure disciplinary procedures are conducted lawfully and fairly in line with good faith employment practices, collective bargaining, and workplace consultation. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry continues to promote effective communication and stronger engagement between employers and workers to address workplace concerns collaboratively, while encouraging good faith consultation between management and workers through the LMCC committees to strengthen workplace relations and reduce disputes. Speaker, sir, while promoting productivity and efficiency, the Ministry remains equally committed to ensuring that workers operate in safe and healthy workplaces. Under the Health and Safety at Work Act 1996, the Ministry continues to advocate for smarter workplace safety strategies that proactively reduce hazards and prevent accidents and injuries. Employers are encouraged to conduct regular hazard identification and risk assessment to prevent incidents, protect workers, and reduce operational disruptions, compensation claims, and legal liabilities. This is consistent with the duty of employers to provide and maintain a working environment that is safe and without risks to health, safety at work, information, instruction, training, and supervision. The ministry is encouraging responsible use of technology, automation, and modern equipment to improve workplace efficiency, reduce hazardous tasks, and protect workers from injuries and long-term health risks while enhancing productivity and service delivery. Mr. Speaker, sir, workplace occupational health and safety committees play a key role in strengthening cooperation between employers and workers, supporting safer work practices, improved compliance, reduced risks, and more productive workplaces. The ministry is strengthening workplace health and safety through training, inspections, emergency preparedness, and awareness programs, while promoting a culture of safety, compliance, and improved incident reporting to prevent future accidents. The ministry is promoting a workplace culture that balances productivity, innovation, fairness, and worker safety to support sustainable economic growth. By encouraging smarter work practices and collaboration with employers and workers, it aims to reduce disputes and injuries, improve morale and performance, and ensure Fiji's workplaces remain safe, lawful, and progressive.